One tool you might use early on in your research process is Eric's Thesaurus. You can use the Thesaurus to find the database's preferred subject terms, which are terms that articles are tagged as being about. If you're struggling with choosing a topic or keywords, the Thesaurus is also a useful resource for choosing keywords. To get to the Thesaurus in Eric, select Thesaurus on the menu at the top of the page. If you have a subject in mind, you can search using the box at the top of the page. You can also browse the subject terms by viewing the list at the bottom of the page and by exploring using the previous and next buttons. On this page, you will see a list of subject terms beginning with the letter A. If you select one of the terms, you can view more information about it. Let's select ability. When you've selected a term, you will see a scope note, which gives you a definition of what the term means. There are also lists of narrower terms, related terms, and occasionally broader terms. Whether you search for a word or browse the thesaurus, you can use this tool to narrow down your subject area for research by viewing the different terms in a hierarchy. For example, if I wanted to write about academic ability, but was told I needed to be more specific, I could select academic ability and view the list of terms under that to select a more narrow topic, like cognitive ability or scholarship. On this page, you'll also see a Used For section, which tells you other terms that in Eric are replaced by academic ability. For each of the terms on this page, you'll see two checkboxes. The one to the right in the Explode column is used when you want to search a subject term and all of its associated narrower terms, so any of the terms that fall under it in the hierarchy list. So if I went back to the academic ability page and selected Explode, Eric would search for all of the terms that fall under academic ability. The checkbox to the left of each term allows you to select individual terms you would like to add to a search. You can select one or multiple terms, then above the terms, select the Add button to add your terms to the search box. By default, the database searches using the Boolean operator OR, but you can change this to AND if you want both subject terms to appear in each result that is returned. We'll talk more about Boolean operators in a later video. I'm going to select cognitive ability and scholarship and see what results are returned. I'll use the default OR Boolean operator. You can see now that the subject terms were added to the search box at the top of the page. Both are listed in quotations after the field search indicator DE, which Eric uses for subject terms. Adding the terms to the search box at the top of the page allows you to add or change terms before doing a search. To search, just click Search. You can also add subject terms to your searches in other ways, and you can combine searches using subject terms with other searches using your search history. We'll go over how to do those in a later video. If you are using the Thesaurus to help you find keywords for searching, you don't have to use the option to search the terms as subject terms. You can simply take the terms you want to use and search them in Eric's basic or advanced search boxes without making any other changes. In the next video, we'll go over the different types of searches available in Eric.